I'm co-CEO, co-founder. Dania is my senior executive assistant. We've been building the company for about 5 years now. We're a team of 150 folks across 16 different countries, fully remote organization. In a nutshell, what we do is we provide remote EAs to software companies in the US. We hire folks in Central and South America. As part of our social mission, we're focused on empowering as many women as possible in these regions with meaningful opportunities. Our vision is to get to 1,000 within the next 3 years. So we're at 150, slowly chipping away at that goal. Very ambitious for sure. And then once we train them for a period of 4 weeks, we then staff them with these customers. And then we have customer success managers who oversee and help them with making sure that we're delivering, the best quality service to customers. And the only thing that a customer is doing is delegating. We take everything off their plate, from like equipment to management, performance management, anything in between. So the only thing we want customers to do is just focus purely on delegation.
If we want to go straight into like where Coefficient comes more into play, since we had such a variety in our tech stack already, and we had a lot of different data sources for things that we wanted to see on a daily, weekly, monthly, and quarterly basis, it was really tough at the beginning when I first started of being able to like integrate all of that information into a single place and know that it was organized, know that I had it like ready to go and ready to present. Especially we have like a board meeting every quarter and all of that. And so that's like the big ramp up and getting all of that information ready to go because it lives everywhere. So Coefficient was a pretty immediate answer that I found to that question early on, and just saying, okay, I have all of this information in a HubSpot, but I have like a report over here. I have another report over there. I have some information in Notion. So how can I make this work so that I'm not driving myself crazy? I'm not spending like 10 hours the week of the board meeting, just being able to find all of the information and then still scrambling at the very end to ensure that it's all up to date and accurate. That's where I found Coefficient. And I was very easily able to set up the integration between HubSpot and Google Sheets and just send that information straight through with a little like update function and everything there. Through that, within Google Sheets, I created like, I don't know how many pivot tables I have in there right now. It's probably like 20 or so, but that will grab all of the information that I need for the different cadences of meetings that we have. For example, on Monday, we just had our go-to-market meeting and we need like the information on, the breakdown between closed ones, closed lost deals. We need like the different industries and all of that. So I have that all in my sheet ready to go so that when I'm prepping the deck, it's just click on the update button, it's ready to go. And on Monday mornings, we run one final update and everything is there. And I don't have to stress about, getting all that information there last minute. And it worked really well. It's really easy to set up and everything. And I was like, okay, this works. It's functional. What would take probably around an hour or even an hour and a half to grab all the information, put it in the formatting, get the charts all ready to go, is taking me 15 minutes every week. Now the team can go in and say, okay, I know that the charts have been updated. I can see where we're at in terms of the numbers. I can see where we need to adjust, right? And we can drive those decisions together so that we're not surprised at the end of the quarter when we see that we didn't meet targets or that, the numbers weren't quite as what were as expected. So from that angle, it's really helpful in terms of our co-CEOs as well. Like they're, meeting on a weekly basis as well, just to review these charts. And so them having that visibility is what is driving a lot of the initiatives from top down as well, and being able to cascade those decisions across the broader team. I've also shared this with our executive assistants, and I've talked a couple through them a little bit more in like a separate session when they've come to me and say, hey, I need to put together a QBR for my customer. We have data all across, the universe. I need something that's going to help us consolidate this into a single location. As the magical tool that saved my life way back when, and trying to figure out how to consolidate all of the information into a single place. I really come back to that and to the initial like stage where I was at and trying to figure out, okay, how am I going to make this all come together? And again, not spend, 10 hours just on this task alone because, it's a lot of time that takes away from other things that I have on my plate. Whenever I tell them it's, a quick easy add-on. You can just do the setup there between your different apps. You can set up scheduling even if you want the information to be updated on its own, or you can click whenever you want the information updated, as I do with those ad hoc requests. It's really a great tool in that aspect of just being able to combine so many things into one in terms of functionality and being easy to use as well.